in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use ChatGPT Plus subscription features. Let's get started. First, launch your ChatGPT app or navigate to the official website of ChatGPT, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once you have upgraded to ChatGPT Plus, you will gain access to enhanced AI models that provide more capable responses, higher usage limits for messages and file uploads, and the ability to generate images directly from your prompts. Plus, subscribers also receive access to web-enabled features, advanced data analysis tools, deep research capabilities, and early access to newly released features before they become widely available. If you frequently use ChatGPT for writing, learning, brainstorming, coding, research, or creative projects, the Plus plan offers a smooth experience with greater flexibility and performance. As you continue using the platform, these premium tools are integrated into your workflow automatically, helping you accomplish more tasks efficiently. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.